Well, here we are at the Mesquite Super Run, and we've just finished doing a run down the boulevard with a car parade. We were the first car in line after the police cars and parade people. Anyhow, we're having a good time, and we're with our friends Terry and Nancy Seck, and that's their beautiful Nissan and Thunderbird that they're very proud of. And anyhow, we're having a great time. People love to see the old Bestioni, and it really is a wonderful place. A little warm today, but the beach has handled itself perfectly. And there's Andreas. Say hello, Andreas. And over here, hiding, I'm gonna have to give her a kick in the butt, is Kara. Anyway, we're having a good time, and just wanted people to see. And tell you what, this is a great event. You ought to come plan on next year. We are. So we'll see you. We still have tomorrow and Sunday. So come on out and have a good time, y'all.